Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy Stories and namhlanje sikhuluma nge-e.tv scandal. Sikhuluma guys nge-relationship kaLibone kanye ke no Lihle. Guys, uLihle uyawela kulama trip alendoda ke endala and akekho umuntu ozokwazi ukumkhuza because she is keeping everything to herself as a secret. Akakhulumi nanabangani bakhe ke esikoleni. Botsotso really tried ukuthi ke amvuse uLihle, but buwasengazi ukuthi uLihle ubone sengcono ke manje njengoba ke esethandwa ke ithuthu noma ilecture whatever he call uLibone. Botsotso came yesterday guys, wafika wathi ngumalume kaLihle, so nifundani. uLihle mesehambile uBotsotso utshela ukuthi hayi akusiyo umalume wami, he is a friend with my brother and umuntu ohleze la yakhe, wambukela phansi guys. Akazi ukuthi le ndoda le iyamgruma and isimgrume enough ukuthi angakwazi ukulalela anyone okhona. uLihle akakhulumi namuntu, akanamngani, nje ile ndoda kuphele kwazi ukukhuluma naye. Manje ke guys uLihle usekwazi ukuyiqabula nje esiphungweni, ayi uyablush uLihle noma ehleli yedwa uhleze ecabanga le ndoda. Like I think she is ready to do whatever irrespective of everything ayifundiswe ke ekhaya. Even ingane ke kaDenhle guys yamtshela ukuthi wena don't speak to strangers because they are dangerous, but ke akalaleli umuntu guys. So into ezokwenzeka ukuthi ke uTebogo loya oyiskeleton girlfriend sikaLibone uzokhuluma ke kukhona uLihle ukuthi ke mina ne boyfriend ami we are planning 1 2 3 and uLihle be like hayibo. But ke guys I know ukuthi ke uLibone uzokhuluma something noma ke uzoyibrusha off lento yenziwe ke uTebogo ngoba umtshela ukuthi ucela ukuthi bakhiphe izinto professional ngoba ufuna ukudla le ngane leya ekuthiwa uLihle. So guys into ezokwenzeka ke I think next week ukuthi ke kuzofika intombazanyana. There is this girl who've been calling uLibone etshela ukuthi hayi ngiyakuthanda ngisalungisa izinto kwathithini kanjani. So next week bathi izofika and umshana kaLibone uzosala ke enkemile ukuthi hayibo kahlehle kwenzekalani guys. So I don't know ukuthi ke bazogcina belalile yini njengoba lokho emiyengela ukuthi bahambe kuma B&B because according to the teachings uLihle anazo zithi kufanele ukuthi kwenziwe izinto ngendlela and that is not what uLibone wants to do. Ufuna ukulala nalengane le bese yayishiya aqhubekayo kwenza lezi zinto kwezinye ke ingane. It's a lesson learned guys, especially to abantwana abasebancane ukuthi ke bafunde babone ukuthi lamadoda amadala asile because umuntu mekuthanda wenza izinto ngendlela right akuthathe ke akushade asazi. But ke as for Libone it's not gonna go like that guys. Njengoba sekwazi ukuqabula indoda endala ngenentshebe enempunga, hayi kubi hayi, it's so sad guys, it's so sad ukuthi uLihle impilo yakhe would just turn out like that. But ke guys kusazoshuba ngampela because this thing izogcina ifikile ke kuma wakhe ke uMadlomo kanye ke nobaba wakhe ke uNhloso. Asazi ukuthi bazomenza uLibone uzobe sasekhona yini. But guys just continue to watch the storyline and see how izo unfold kanjani. But if you want to see something else, do comment below ukuthi when ufuna ukuthi kwenzekileni, what do you want to see happening kule storyline. Ufuna ukuthi uLihle agcine wele noma ufuna ukuthi ube khona umuntu ozomsave uLihle, but I don't know ukuthi uzovela because uLihle usemathandweni guys. Emathandweni uLihle uyamcabanga lo bhuti omtshela ukuthi I love you, what we are having is real, I have never felt like this before. Hayibo guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Bye.